What's good? What's goody? What's happening? This your boy Ben, and don't forget Bentastico. Right now I'm currently in my hometown Bainet, and my car needed to be washed, so I brought it out here at a little lake / little river, and I'm about to show you how we about to wash it. This is how we do it out here in Haiti, countryside style. All right, so come take a look.
Saya lagi tu sahabat kau.
Hey, attention, rapaz. Voilà. This is how we do it out here, dog. This is how we do it.
É por isso. Kita fazer. Tem que ser feito para tudo.
As y'all can see, feel me, my son got a little bucket right here, fill it up with just some soap, and you know he got a little rag wiping the car, and he gonna use the bucket, fill it up with water, and just splash it on the car. You know, that's how we do it out here, man. Countryside. You heard? This your boy Ben, and don't forget Bentastico.